Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Okay, before starting learning, we start pray that our learning will be best until the end of the learning. Prayer will be led by the class leader. Prayer begins. Prayer is over. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ibna Tunsalis. Student call me Miss Ibna. Miss will be absent first, okay? Are there any students who are not present at the class leader? Okay, fine. In previous material, we discussed o'clocks. So, Miss, I want to ask the student, what time do students go to school? Okay, 7 o'clock. Yeah, good job. To get to school, we definitely need a vehicles, right? Please, what vehicles did Miss student go to school this morning? Okay? Yes, bicycle, taken by car, and others. Okay, student. Today we will discuss vehicles and recreation. Our learning objectives today are 1. By observing the vehicles and recreation learning video, student can study the types of vehicles and recreation using English correctly. Number 2. By looking at the picture about vehicles and recreation in PowerPoint, students can categorize the types of vehicles and recreation based on their movement areas on land, sea, and air using English correctly. 3. By playing the match the picture with name and sentence game, students can confidently communicate sentences that match the vehicles and recreation picture. 4. By discussing and asking questions about vehicles and recreation, students can conclude the result of the survey about vehicles and recreation using English that has been written correctly. Okay, student, after we know our learning objectives today, Miss want to ask the student, look at the picture. What kind of transportation in the picture? Do you know what it is? Yes, it is car. What it is? Yes, it is bus. And what it is? It is motorcycle. And last, what it is? Yes, it is train. Okay, good job, student. To hone student abilities, Miss will share LKPD. On the first page, write the name and class. On the second page, learning objectives. Next page, working instruction. Number 1 question. Match names and picture. Match the name with the picture below. Draw a line to answer it. 2 question. Write the name of the vehicles and recreation below. Next question. Match the picture with the sentence. Next question. Essay question. 4 number. Okay, have a great time doing it, student. Miss give me 10 minutes to finish it starting from now. Okay, student, finish. Let's start it together, okay? Number 1. Match names and picture. What it is? Yes, It is helicopter. Okay, right? Yes. What it is? Yes, it is paragliding. And what it is? Yes, it is camping. Right? Okay, next page. Nah, write the name of the vehicles and recreation below. What it is? Yes, it is car. Okay, number 2, what it is? Yes, it is plane. Next, match the picture with the sentence. Picture number 3. Okay, Mr. Surya goes to Jakarta by plane, right? Okay, good job. Let's essay question. Number 1. Where did Rina and her family decide to go during school holidays? Answer. During yesterday school holidays, Rina and her family went to visit Ragunan Zoo. Right? Okay, good job. Okay, next we will singing. Let's sing together. Let's sing together. Let's sing together, together. Okay, let's sing together vehicles. Instrumen lagu menanam jagung. Right? Okay. Ayo kawan kita belajar bahasa Inggris kendaraan. Mobil itu car, sepeda bicycle, kapal itu ship, kereta itu train, airplane itu pesawat terbang, motorcycle sepeda motor, kapal selam itu submarine, perahu layar adalah sailboat. Okay, good job student. Finish to singing. Does anyone know the bicycle and recreation? Okay, let's read together to understand vehicles. 2 PPT. A vehicle is a tool or means of transportation used to move people or goods from one place to another. The vehicles themselves have various types, ranging from land, water, to air vehicles. Kendaraan adalah sebuah alat atau sarana transportasi yang digunakan untuk memindahkan orang atau barang dari satu tempat ke tempat lain. Kendaraan sendiri memiliki berbagai jenis, mulai dari kendaraan darat, air, hingga udara. Next, recreation. Recreation is the meaning and activity carried out by individuals or groups with the aim of entertainment or relaxation. These recreational activities can include sport, going on holiday to an amusement park, exploring nature, or even just sitting around enjoying your free time. Rekreasi adalah aktivitas yang dilakukan oleh individu atau kelompok dengan tujuan hiburan atau relaksasi. Aktivitas relaksasi ini bisa berupa olahraga, berlibur ke taman hiburan, mengeksplor alam, atau bahkan hanya duduk-duduk sambil menikmati waktu luang. Let's watching the learning video about vehicles and recreation by saying together, yes. Let's start saying it.
Ambulance, ambulan. Police car, mobil polisi. Bus, bis. Car, mobil. Bike, sepeda. Truck, truk. Motorcycle, sepeda motor. Pedicab, beca. Horse-drawn carriage, kereta kuda. Train, kereta. Boat, perahu. Luxury yacht, kapal pesiar mewah. Cruise ship, kapal pesiar. Cargo ship, kapal kargo. Sailboat, perahu layar. Ferry boat, kapal feri. Jet ski, jet ski. Plane, pesawat. Airplane, pesawat terbang. Jet plane, pesawat jet. Helicopter, helikopter. Zeppelin, balon udara. Paragliding, para layang. Cargo plane, pesawat kargo.
Hiking, camping, kayaking, canoeing, paddleboarding, surfing, windsurfing, fishing, horseback riding, archery, skiing, paragliding.
What is this, student? Yes, it is bicycle. Good job. Is this a plane? No, this is a helicopter. Is this camping? Okay, yes, good job, student. Okay, do you have any question for the student? Yes, sailboats and boats are vehicles on water. Types of vehicles and recreation are divided into three, namely land, water, and air vehicles and recreation. Let's read the meaning together. Definition of vehicles types based on their area of their movement. Number 1. Air vehicles are tools that can fly in the sky. Number 2. Water vehicles are tools that can sail on water. Number 3. Land vehicles are tools that move on the ground. Okay. Land vehicles. Read together. It is a bike, itu sepeda. It is motorcycle, itu kereta. It is a pedicab, itu becak. It is a truck, itu truk. It is a train, itu kereta api. It is a bus, itu bis. It is a car, itu mobil. Next, air vehicles. That is a plane, itu pesawat. That is a helicopter, itu helikopter. That is a rocket, itu roket. That is a jet plane, itu pesawat jet. That is a hot air balloon, itu balon udara. Water vehicles. That is a boat, ini perahu. That is a ship, ini kapal. That is a cargo ship, ini kapal barang. That is a jet ski, ini jet ski. That is a ferry, ini kapal feri. Next, land recreation. Number 1, camping, berkemah. Number 2, sport, olahraga. Number 3, climb up the mountain, mendaki gunung. Number 4, playing in the park, bermain di taman. Number 5, play at the beach, bermain di pantai. Number 6, see the zoo, melihat kebun binatang. What recreation? Snorkeling, berenang menyelam. Surfing, selancar. rowing boat, mendayung perahu, flyboard, papan terbang, banana boat, perahu pisang, swimming, berenang. Air recreation, skydiving, terjun payung, paragliding, para layang, hang gliding, layang gantung, bungee jumping, lompat dari ketinggian, wingsuit flying, terbang pakaian sayap. Okay, continue. These are types of land vehicles, air vehicles, water vehicles, and recreation. Let the student summarize the vehicles and recreation vocabulary that we have just learned in English into written writing. And next student, I will want us to form two groups, groups A and groups B, to play a game. Match the picture with name and sentence. In the media, there is information about vehicles and recreation. Okay, then this a game of drawing and writing. How to play? Group A and B wrestle first. The team that plays first will take two pictures, 1 and 2. Okay, to team B take two pictures. Okay, the game starts. Team B saw one picture about the vehicle, and Team A look for the answer in the back on the media correctly. Example, picture 1. Recreation camping. And the team A looks for the answer in the back on the media correctly. Yes, the answer, the team A communication a sentence that matches the picture. Then the picture is stuck in the vehicles and recreation type are along with its name. Answer, we go camping in the summer. Okay. Picture and answer. Picture 2, yes, it is plane, pesawat. And answer looks for the answer in the back on the media correctly. Yes, answer I plane. Okay, if correct, the team A will get 5 points. After two pictures are shown, the winning team will play again first by pointing to the picture they want to answer on the media list, like this. Okay, the game is over once the images are measured correctly. Okay, next student. We reading time. Let's group A read on the right and group B read on the left. Group A. To fill the long school holidays, my parents and I went on holiday to the beach in Anyar by car. We all stayed in a villa during the trip to Anyar. I saw many passing vehicles, such as bicycle, trains, planes, and others. Arriving at the beach in the Anyar area, our family and I were very happy because we could unwind while enjoying the beauty of the beach there, which was quite cool and not too crowded. There were any there were many activities that our family did there, starting from swimming, playing in the sand, surfing banana boats, snorkeling to enjoying various seafood culinary delights. Group B. Translate. Mengisi waktu liburan panjang sekolah, aku bersama ayah ibu pergi liburan ke pantai di Anyar menggunakan mobil. Kami semua menginap di sebuah villa. Selama perjalanan menuju ke Anyar, aku banyak melihat kendaraan yang lewat seperti sepeda, kereta api, pesawat, dan lainnya. Setibanya di pantai, kawasan Anyar, kami sekeluarga sangat senang karena bisa melepas lelah sambil menikmati keindahan pantai di sana yang cukup sejuk dan tidak terlalu ramai. Ada banyak kegiatan yang dilakukan kami sekeluarga di sana, mulai dari berenang, bermain pasir, berselancar, banana boat, snorkeling, hingga menikmati aneka kuliner seafood. Oke, let's do this conversation with your friends. Anyone want to try a conversation? Okay, try raising your hand. Yes, start the conversation. Lila, hi Resa, how do you go to school? Resa, hi Lila, I go to school by bicycle. How about you? Lila, if I use a car with my father. Have you ever gone on recreation? Resa, yes, I once went for recreation. I went with my family cycling to the park. How about you, Lila? Lila, wow, I also went for recreation with my family to the zoo by car. Resa, enjoyable recreation. Lila, yes, Resa. Okay, thank you, student. Next, the next task. The four students to conclusion survey with 5 friends by having a conversation like before by asking about vehicles and recreation and writing down the result of the conversation in a notebook table. Okay? Come on, collection your assessment. Help me, you can summarize the result of your assessment. Okay, right. Number 1, name Yunda vehicles bus. Sentence, Yunda goes to school by bus. Okay, that's right. The result of Harumi's survey of English rating can be improved further. Okay, give applause. And for class 4 student, their of English is quite good. Students will get used to asking English more. How was learning today, student? Do students enjoy learning? Okay, after we learn vehicles and recreation, I will share evaluation question to do. There are 10 questions about multiple choice. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Essay question number 5 and 6. Description question number 7, 8, and 9. Let's question matching question number 10. Okay, the conclusion of today's lesson is that vehicles are a means of transportation that every human being has to move place. Meanwhile, recreation is an activity carried out by humans for the purpose of entertainment. Types of vehicles and direction are divided into 3: air, water, and land. Okay, let's close today's lesson by reading a prayer led by the class leader. Let's pray. Right, finish. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again, students.